Power banks are so common nowadays that we no longer become surprised when new ones come out. But there are exceptions like those with charging technologies that make them better products and worthy of our attention. Hi guys, Kim here at YugaTech, and today we're gonna take a look at Veger's new power bank called the VP1027 with USB power delivery and triple fast charging technology. Before we get started, here are the specs of the VegerPower VP1027. Let's take a look at what's inside the packaging. Here we have the power bank itself, the micro USB charging cable, quick manual, and a warranty card. The VP1027 unit we received comes in a white color. The body is made of hard ABS plastic with carbon fiber-like design and texture, while the sides are glossy. It's slim, feels premium, and well-built, and has a decent heft which is lighter than those power banks with a metal body. On the upper left side we have the power button, while on the right side is a micro USB port for charging the power bank. Up top are the charging ports, USB Type-A with 2.4 amps output, and another USB Type-A with support for Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. Right in the middle is a USB Type-C port, which is also for charging the power bank. On the front are 4 LEDs to show you its power levels. Now let's dive into what makes this power bank unique. USB PD, or Power Delivery Technology. USB Power Delivery is a new fast charging standard introduced by the USB Implementers Forum. It is capable of up to 20 volts 5 amps of output, or equal to a maximum power of 100 watts, which is enough to power a MacBook Pro. For Google Pixel devices, it is capable of 9 volts 3 amps, while the iPhone 10 and iPhone 8 and 8 Plus is at 14.5 volts 2 amps. For comparison, most power banks can deliver up to 5 volts 3 amps. What this means is that a power bank with USB PD technology will charge devices faster. There are conditions though. 1. USB PD charging only works on USB-C to USB-C cables for Android or USB to Lightning cables in the case of supported iPhones. However, it will only work if your device supports USB power delivery such as Pixel 2 or Pixel 2 XL or the iPhone 10, iPhone 8, and iPhone 8 Plus. If your phone doesn't support USB PD, don't worry. The VP1027 supports other charging standards as mentioned earlier. Enough about that. Let us show you how it performs instead. For our tests, we will be charging a drained iPhone 10 using the VP1027 and a USB-C to Lightning cable. We'll measure the output with this handy tester and how long it can charge a device to up to 50%. We'll also charge the iPhone 10 using a standard charger. As you can see, the VP1027 is showing us an output of around 9 volts 2 amps. You will also notice in the power bank that the green LED is on, which means that the USB PD technology is running. We'll leave it for a moment and come back when it's at 50%. Now let's see how fast it charges with a regular charger. And let's compare the results. As you can see, the USB power delivery technology was able to charge your device faster than a standard charger at 50% in just 30 minutes. Isn't that impressive? Now that you saw how the VP1027 with USB PD technology performs, you might be wondering where you can purchase one of these. The Veger VP1027 is valued at 1,599 pesos, but you can get deals and discounts at Lazada and selected gadget stores nationwide. And that sums it up. If you're looking for a power bank that quickly charges your devices, we can definitely recommend this baby right here. And if you like our video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Again, this is Kim of YugaTech, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Hey guys, it's me again, and VegerPower is feeling really generous. They're giving away power banks to YugaTech subscribers. For details and mechanics, click here, or you can go straight to the link down below.